Hello, I'm Katya and I'm going to be doing The Magic Pizza by Christie. A pizza. A magic pizza. Been stuck in the freezer's a scunner. So I grew twa legs an hour ago and fae Tesco I did a runner. A pizza, a gone my dinger pizza. Skating down the street, gieing muckle cheesy grin to the dumfunnet folk I meet. A pizza, I please myself pizza. I can do whatever I like. Flay with cheese and tomato wings or go dancing down a dike. A pizza, an on the run pizza. The police are after me, but they needna think that ony of them are haying me for their tea. A pizza, I thought you're no pizza. I'll tell them to get lost. Ah, jings. A puggle pizza new. I've started to defrost.